Hi everyone, welcome back to Blueprint DIY. Today I'm unboxing something I've been so excited to get my hands on, the Xtool M1 Ultra. If you've ever wanted one tool that virtually does everything, you'll want to stick around for this one. All right, let's crack this baby open and see what's inside.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, everything is packed so super securely. Let's take a closer look and see what's inside. First up, we have the absolute star of the show, the Xtool M1 Ultra machine. This baby is so sleek and compact yet sturdy. Absolute perfect size for your crafting table. The Xtool M1 Ultra combines laser engraving, laser cutting, and blade cutting all in one device. Yes, you heard me right. It's incredibly versatile. It has a high precision laser that has an output that can cut through up to 10 millimeters of wood or acrylic effortlessly. A blade cutter for materials like vinyl and fabric, perfect for crafters who love making stickers, heat transfer designs, or even sewing patterns. It also prints. Yes, look at the color cartridge. It'll actually print. So that means you can print your stickers as well as cut them out at the same time. I'm so excited because I think that means I can make puzzles. Yes, puzzles. Next, we've got the accessory box. So let's see what's in here. Inside, you'll find the power cord and adapter, a must-have for powering this beast. The one that I have comes with a 20-watt laser module, M1 Ultra ink module, free fire safety set, cutting blade, rotary blade, full transfer tip, fine point blade, fine point pen, this rotary attachment for engraving cylindrical items like tumblers and mugs, a sturdy cutting mat, ideal for vinyl, paper, and other materials, and some sample materials to help you get started right away. Now let's check out the machine up close. It has a built-in camera for auto alignment and previewing your projects before you hit start. This makes setup so much easier. And safety features, including an enclosed design and auto shutoff so you can work worry-free. So no having to wear glasses with this one so you won't mess up your eyes. It has a cover to protect you. Another key component is the removable honeycomb tray and the sturdy base. The honeycomb tray is designed to provide a stable surface for your projects, ensuring optimal airflow when using the laser. This helps to minimize scorch marks and improve precision. The base is super solid and supports the machine for consistent performance. So the M1 Ultra can handle a huge range of materials: wood, acrylic, leather, fabric, paper, metal, and even glass with the rotary attachment. Whether you're a hobbyist, small business owner, or just getting started with crafting, this machine has got you covered. I am so excited to start testing out the Xtool M1 Ultra, so much that I'm adding an extra video each week. Each week on Tuesdays, we'll do a new project to really put this baby to the test. If there's something specific you want me to try, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what we do next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!